again. Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today we're gonna pour some paint on these two little wooden sugar skulls from Dollar Tree. I bought these and I had no idea what I was gonna do with them. I'm not a very good freehand painter. I can't paint. So we're gonna try to pour some paint on them and see what we can do. So let me adjust the camera and we'll get started. Off camera I went ahead and mixed up. I used the Dollar Tree pouring medium. I mixed it 50-50 with Dollar Tree paint. I think all the paint came from Dollar Tree except for maybe the white paint. Oh yeah, white paint was just some old apple barrel. And when I was mixing up my paint, when I mixed up my red paint, I put a little squirt of this spray lubricant in it and mixed it up real good. That's supposed to help make sails. I watched so many videos. I don't know if that's going to work or not, but that's what I did. I just put a squirt of this in there. This is just a little pitcher from Dollar Tree, and I pinched the end to make a pouring spout. So we're just going to layer our paint in here, and I've got some white. Get my I'm sorry about that. I just realized my dryer was going. You know how you can hear something and not realize it because you hear it so often. But anyway, so now we have our little skull up here, and we're just going to pour and see what we get. You hear my puppy grunting? It's Stormy and he doesn't like it. Okay. Alright, I think that came out pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna set this one to the side and let it drip a little bit. And I'm just gonna see if I can get that to come out of the little holes in his eyes. There's some like paint bubbles in there. Just some more white over here. That looks like sperm. Alright, so I like that one. So we're going to put this one to the side and we'll do the girl. Okay, and I did put a base coat, just light coating of white paint on here. And I'm going to mix some more paint. Put some white. Oh, Peanut, a bad storm's coming. I'm sorry. I'm just mixing those same colors. And just a little bit of black. Okay. Got some blank spots. I like this string of purple that's coming down. I have a Dollar Tree canvas, and I taped off the back so it will be all messy, and I put some little push pins in it, and now I'm just going to dip it in this paint, get a good coating on it. didn't get in the center. I'm gonna push it down in that paint good. Let me get my other tray. Then we're going to pull it up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, somebody told me that you could put paper in there and make like, let me get some paper and see. Let's see what that. So I've just got a sheet of plain cardstock. And we are going to just press this on the paint. That's pretty cool. We'll let that dry and see what we get. Okay, so now we got this one, and you know, it's kind of pretty. I hate to do anything to it, but it's cool. We're gonna take this paint. I just used all my leftover paint, and we are going to just do diagonal here. Probably should have left it the way it was, but and now I just have a straw. Tip some of the paint off that way. Ooh, I love this green color up here. So I'm gonna leave it alone now. Oh wait, I don't like this little spot down here on the corner. So then I just wanna fix my edges. Let's get to what we just got through pouring in this video. The sugar skulls, I think, turned out great. This is my favorite one. This is the guy one. I don't know if you can, let me tilt it a little bit, my light might be better, but it's such pretty patterns in over here. I'll do a close-up of this when I get through talking, but that turned out really good. And then the lady one, well, as it sets, most of the paint kind of ran off of it a little bit, but it's still really pretty up close. I don't know if you can see my camera angle, but it turned out really great. I'm gonna let these dry a couple more days, and then I'm gonna put a clear coat on them too. And then I think I'm gonna put each one in a frame with a black background for part of my Halloween display, so I thought it was really good. And then we did our bonus pictures with the leftover paint. This one turned out really cool too, and I used a straw and kind of blew the paint around where I wanted it, and that was kind of cool. I got some nice colors, but that was just leftover paint. And then they took the paper and dipped it in the paint, and it turned out really good. I'm going to kind of crop some of the edges off where it curled up, and then I'm going to use this to make a card or a background. I'm going to put it to good use somehow or another. But that's it, y'all. That's my video. I'm really enjoying the paint pouring. I find it very therapeutic, and it's a lot of fun. You never know what you're going to get. I did have somebody left a comment on my first video that paint pouring was not art. Anybody can do it. Well, I think that's the whole point of art. Anybody can do it, and it's all in what you like. So not everybody likes Van Gogh, and not everybody likes Jackson Pollock, but maybe we could find something in between. You find what you like and you do it. Remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. So y'all get out there, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.